From Visual Studio Code, open up your working folder CPP 17, 20, 23 parallel. Select empty space, click this button, 0, 33, like T. Click this button, like T.cpp. Hit enter. Ctrl V. I will paste some links. If you haven't installed C++ library extensions, please double-click this link. You have to download C++ library extensions on your machine by clicking this link, and have to install properly on your machine by watching this video. Otherwise, you cannot follow my current and future sessions. I also assume you have watched my previous video, episode 32. If you haven't watched this video, please Ctrl click or watch this video. I will put the video link here. Include CPG, STD extension. I will create a namespace, CPG types. Then namespace CPT, CPG types. Class CLS CPP 20 semicolon. Public, private, int m value. We will create default constructor like this. We can use no except keyword. Default CLS CPP20 int value m value we can initialize like this. No except. We can also use explicit. We create accessor of m value like this. Int l value reference get no except return this m value. It can be l value reference. Copy this, paste it here. It is constant. Here constant. Now copy this, paste. This is I value reference. Remove reference. This is I value reference. Also remove L value reference. sorry, it should be like this. This ampersand, this ampersand, these ampersands, these ampersands are called ref-qualifiers. This ampersand is called L-value reference qualifier. This constant L-value reference is called constant L-value reference qualifier. These two ampersands is called R-value reference qualifier. I made mistake here. It should be fixed like this. Is called constant R-value reference qualifier. So, traditionally, before C++23, we sometimes need to specify 1, 2, 3, 4 different accessors depending on L-value reference or R-value reference. Now, I copy this, paste it here. This is CPP 23. Copy this, paste it here. Now, we don't need these. We can create a single accessor like this. Return type is auto. This is forwarding reference. Return type is auto 2 ampersand. We don't need int. Instead, we need this auto. This is forwarding reference. Self. We don't need these things. Now, here, CPT like T declare type self int self m value. We can create a single function for 1, 2, 3, 4 different accessor cat. This is C++23 programming pattern. We need to define CPT like T, like this. In this namespace, CPG types, I will create namespace hidden template type name T type name s, struct st, like type, using type s, semicolon. Copy this, paste. Now const t s. This is specialization. We prepend const to s. T is constant. We make s constant. Copy this, paste. Now T is L value reference, so we make S L value reference. Copy this, paste. Now T is constant L value reference, constant L value reference. Now copy this, paste. This is R value reference, R value reference, R value reference, R value reference. This is end of namespace hidden. So I will paste it here. Now fold it up using like template, type name T, type name S, type name hidden st. We are using this class. I will fold it up, paste. T S. But this is not good enough. We remove std, remove cbreft. We start with a clean state of s, like this. Since we defined, we have to say type, because it has member type, like this. This is the correct syntax. Now, here, void test cpp 23. Int main constant cls cpp 23 a c. This is constant. We pass any value. Copy, paste. We remove const. This is just a. Now 댓글 type 오로 and c we call ac get. Copy, paste. This is and we call a cat. copy, paste. This is an R value, CLS CPP 23 5. This is R value, pure R value. Now get. I will discuss about this part in my next episode. Now CR. This is constant. We need parentheses. Now here std cout type of nc cpg get type category nc std and there copy paste. This is N this is NR this is NCR I will arrange like this. Now we call this function from function main. We need Microsoft C++ compiler 033 like T CL version like this. We need to have the latest version of Microsoft compiler version 1932 or above. CLS dir CLEHSC std C++ latest like t.cpp fe m.exe hit enter cls m. Now examine the type. We are basically calling get this member function. We use like T like this. This is forwarding reference. We extract the type of this object. We extract the type of this object using this syntax. If self is constant, then we make int constant. If self is R value, then we make int R value reference. So in this case, AC is constant. So NC is constant integer L value reference. In this case, A is not constant but L value. So the type of N is integer L value. Now scroll down. In this case, this is R value. So the type of NR is R value reference. In this case, this value is constant R value. So the type of NCR is constant R value reference. Please understand that we created only one accessor function. Prior to C++23, we have to create 1, 2, 3, 4 functions.